Okay, so next part is, let's say we have came to our application, then we see all our to do's, and then there is nothing there, so we are going to add it. Okay, okay, this text we need to update. Okay, let's update it now then. Okay, here it is in add to do completed. Okay, so after that we're going to hit, so it has been added here. Okay, when I click on new, still have that old data, so we need to resolve this. So we have this handler. We're going to call this handler on click. After this, we can update our state. This part, dot, sorry, dot to state dot add new data, comma, section is completed false. This is the default data we need to pass when we're going to update our latest list. That's it. Now we need to refresh your docs. Here we have this data completed. That's it. And here you can see we got the new empty state here. Let's make it as false. This is not completed. This is completed. Okay. So this is it. Now we're going to perform the update operation. For update, we need update.jsx. We have a function component T, and we can copy all our part. Because at the end, both are the editors, same editor as we used in add. We're going to display for the update. We can even use the same component, but now for now to make less confusion, we're doing this. And we have this to do handler. To do handler, this method will be same, no doubt. But here we will have the different method. Before that, here in dashboard layouter, we need to create an update route. So here we have to update in to do handler. That's it. We have now to do handler. And the method should be different. To do handler, the method should be like const update to do handler equals to, that's it, const, okay, updated data equals to global state dot add new data. The same data we can use actually, because the state is going to update on the same state. Add new data or update new data, no matters. And we have, then what we need to get here, we need to get the slash what we say, the index of the data which need to be updated. What I'm saying is, I will explain. Here we have, okay, here we have this data. Okay, between this data we have this object. So let's say we have added two objects here, and we want to update the first one. So we'll pass /1 to the update. Okay, first I will do it, I will explain it later. So here, okay, the index. Here what we need to do, we need to perform the map. Global state dot, okay, dot list, dot list dot map. Okay, then we have this and this is single item. So we need to make a condition here, like the index it will be similar, no? Index, index equals to index. If whenever this map will execute, it will match check for this condition. This is like the existing indexes like 0 1 2 3, and our the index came from the request handler. If it is matched, then we are going to update this gate. Single item dot, here we have this title equals to updated data dot, okay, updated data dot, I think same title, single item dot description equals to updated data dot description. Single item dot is complete. Okay, it's complete equals to updated data dot is complete. That's it. So we are going to update this, and I'm going to return this single item. So we need to take this all these objects into a variable latest list. Okay, and then okay, sorry, not here. Set it here. We have this updated data, a new data, and we have this list. Got it? So at the particular index which matches that index will update this new data that is stored in our updated data, and the whole list will be updated here. So this is our update to do handler, but it has a requirement of that index, and to pass the index to it. So in update, you just need to pass the index. How you are going to get the index? We have this dashboard layouter, we have this update, then we have this slash, and we have this dot and index. This is the params we're going to use in our index update. So we first need to Google it. Use params. I also don't know the exact syntax actually. So what we're going to do, we're going to see the syntax. Okay, maybe we can do use params from react router, and here what the value should be matched, like the index is there now. So here you should be passing the index, and here we're going to pass the index. The problem here is you cannot do this way. You should have this arrow function called first, and then you should be calling our actual method with the help of this index. So const would be much better, const index. So by using the params, we fetched our slash update, we passed it to our update to do handler, and update to do handler will take it. It will first copy that updated data into our state, uh, not state actually, it's a variable, and then it will perform a loop. It will check for the index, and then it will update the list. That's it. Got it. So before that, what we need to do is, in the list we need to pass the index. It's 0, 1, 2, 3. That's it. Hmm, where we are going to pass it? We need to create a button actually. In the map we have this div, we have this card. Inside card, content is there. These columns, multiple columns are there. Okay, here we can here this button we can update this to do. This button will link index. Okay, so I think what we should do is update this to do. Let's see first what how it looks. Last name equals to button is primary. Okay, let's see. Update this to do. Update this to do. This full width. Update this to do. Update this to do. Okay, we can make it as a info. Okay, so we have link tag. We have the link slash bit slash. Here we need to pass the index. So if I refresh, we add this, and if I do this, we have update slash 0, because uh, this is the zeroth element. Okay, so this is zero element, so update slash 0 it will come, but here we have not uh, provided the data here, so we need to fetch the data here. For that update we need to update this to first. Update to do. Okay, then here the use effect. First we need to, okay, otherwise we can, instead of calling to the use effect, we can call a handler actually. Load, we can call it as const load to do data, and okay, we can again accept the index here. That index will be like updated data const data equals to is of like which have global list, global state dot list of this index. Okay, we have our updated data here. Just we need to add new data. Just need to update it here. updated data, we need to update it here. That's it. So in this way, we have got the list. We have passed it. We fetched the particular data. We have updated our data. Then we can call this method from our list. So how are we going to call it? On click, we need to again make sure. Okay, but we need to pass our. Okay, we need to pass it. Here again, we need to pass the to do handlers. So okay, to do handlers. We need to get it here as a props, and then to do handler dot method, and here we can pass the index. But we need to remove this part. Why? Because we're going to do this here. Okay, we're going to navigate slash update slash plus you have this index. Let's try it. We need to add some data here slash update it. You can see. Okay, but update is not happening. We have not written any code here. This is for our getting our data. Okay, just get back here. Now this update. Let's add the new data here. Put add new to. So this is our first data. This is our second data. We can update it here. Okay, we are not updating. We are not able to update our state. We need to solve that issue. Okay, okay, okay. On change to the unless update to the state. Okay, let's see what it says. Close saved. We need to come here. So we have this index, add new data. Okay, from there, from start we need to come. Here the update session is performing. Okay, task one. Okay, complete. This is task two. We can add again. Okay, but if you want to update, you need to come here to add again. Here we are seeing this part, this issue. Already resolve this. For the update operation, when we click on add, okay, add is not working properly actually. Where is our add here? So add to do handlers, update state. Global state is not working properly. Okay, okay. The issue is we are not clicking on this add. I guess this removal should happen on this add new button. So okay, I need to check again that part. Whenever we hit on this button, add new, we need to on click what we need to do is and to reset that state. We need to reset that state, global state, set global state, or we can call a method here. We already have the handler now, so we can call the method here as const reset global data, uh, add new data equals to put here. Just need to do this. That's it. Error will be gone. Here to do handlers dot this. So come here and I click on that. This data is there. Okay, add node to do. Okay. So when I click on this, the data is like no data is there. I click on that, click on that. Okay, this is good. The error is solved. But here still this update is not working properly. Okay, the update method is not working properly. I need to do change pass is say right. Okay, to do handlers. To do handlers. To split handlers. Update to do state handlers. If it is not getting called actually. Why this method is not getting called on change to do handlers dot update to do state equals to title on change. This is right. Okay. This is a mistake actually. Here we have this. Add new data. We have added our data. We have this part. We got our data. Then again we can update our state now. But then we have time 5 minutes. So you need to update this. Okay. To update this, you just need to call that method. Let's say this is task one. It's not getting updated. Update. Okay, navigate to the lists. List, latest list. For log, latest list. Okay, this is okay. Okay, completed. Then we have update this to do task one, task one, and update this to. It gets the same state. Why it is getting the same state? Global state. Okay, I guess here we need to print console log. We need to check this. Now click on update handler. This is okay. Then we have this to do task. Updated data TTT. It's coming properly. Okay, but here I guess here it is having an issue. Okay, 4 minutes. Index start HTML. Index from method call. Or what we can do is directly do this. Updated data. Directly do this. Write an index matches. Then also call match. Stringify or convert it to the next. That's it. That's it. No, it's not getting matched. So this index, I guess, is in string format. And so log, I guess we need to complete this in the next session. Okay. Index is index. Then we have this list. Add it, update it, and then index. Index is 0. Let's see. Let's complete that in